The next video we will look at is the full clean. A full clean is only a clean in which you go all the way into the bottom position, unlike a power clean, which is caught without going below parallel. In this lift, the lifter will keep the bar in close, finish his pull, shift his feet from hip width to shoulder width, receive the bar on his chest, and guide it all the way down. If you notice, the athlete is not letting the bar crash on him at the bottom. He's meeting the bar and then riding the lift down. This is very, very crucial. Do not let the bar slam down on you because you move too fast to get underneath the bar. It is very, very important that you meet the bar and guide it all the way down to the bottom position and then stand erect.